Approving and denying a requisition in SFS. Submitted requisitions are forwarded to the supervisor for approval. The supervisor is responsible for reviewing the requisition for accuracy and appropriateness. In this module, you will learn how to approve or deny a requisition. Click SFS Applications. Next, click SFS Financials. The work list page is used to view and take action on pending approvals routed through the workflow. Click Work List. Collapse the menu pagelet. Click the Minimize button. The Detail view shows the work list in table format. The From field shows the person who began the work item. The Date From field shows the date the item was started. The Work item shows the status of the item. The Worked by activity shows the next step in the process. The Priority field shows the default. The Refresh button can be used to update the page with the most recent changes. The Mark Worked button is used to remove an item from the work list. If it is grayed out, the work is still in process. The link opens the Requisition Approval page. Each item on the list must be reviewed before it can be processed further. The Work List Filters is used to sort the items awaiting approval. Click the Work List Filters drop-down arrow. Next, choose Approval Routing. Click the link to review the requisition. To add an additional person to the approval chain, the Insert Approval button is used to insert an additional approver called Ad Hoc Approver. The Insert Approver button can also be used to add a reviewer. The reviewer does not add a step in the approval chain. It is an FYI. To add an Ad Hoc Approver or Reviewer, choose where in the process you want the Approver Reviewer and click the plus button. Enter the Reviewer Approver's user's ID. The user's ID is their employee number. If you do not know it, click the magnifying glass. Enter the user's last name and click Search. Select the correct user. Choose Approver or Reviewer. An approver will have to review and approve or deny the requisition in order to continue the process. The reviewer can review the requisition but cannot stop the process. Check to see that the additional approver was inserted in the approval chain. Next, click Apply Approval Changes. The line information should be reviewed before approving the requisition. To view the line details, select the checkbox. Click View Line Details. All information should be carefully reviewed to make sure it is accurate. After review, click the Exit button. If the requisition is okay as is, enter approver comments regarding the decision if you wish. This field is not required. Click Approve. If the requisition requires alteration or cancellation, it must be returned to the requester. To deny, it is required that approver comments be entered regarding the decision. Click Deny. The requisition approval screen shows confirmation of the action. Depending on the action, the requisition has been routed for further approval or has been denied.